Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the keypad recents or contacts, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's find supplementary services, and as you can see I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. All you have to know is to simply find this option, which is at the very top, to show your caller ID. After tapping on it, you can set network default, but you can set also never or always. So it depends. If you will set never, then your device will never display your ID in outgoing calls, or if you will set always, then it will always display it. So actually this is it. This is how to show or hide the caller ID in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.